Hey, what's up guys? I am back in the woods with my dog Yeti and we need to build a fire. So we're gonna check out Blackbeard Fire Starter. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut a little 1-inch piece off this guy, cut that off, mash it up, make a little nest. There's your little fire. I've got my keys on my fire burner here. It's that easy, guys. It just snowed a couple days ago. Everything here is soggy. So this fire will burn long enough to start drying these little pieces of wood. They'll eventually start on fire and you can build your fire from there. Don't use this whole thing to start one fire. As you can see, this is only about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. This whole thing will make several fires. Keep fire safety in mind, guys. Always completely drown fires before you leave. This might look out, but this is providing a lot of heat right now. So this can easily start a big fire and it's on you to be safe and prevent that fire. Stay safe, stay alive.